Hey everyone, welcome back to my enough. Tired of people saying that. I'm tired of me saying that. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're just going straight up. What's up? What's up with it? Hey, yo, what's good? You good? I'm straight. You straight? Bet. That's what we're gonna do from now. In fact, you know, we need to get a tagline like they do for rap. Like, rap music has like another one. If Lil Metro don't trust you, it's my favorite. Hey Pierre, can you come outside? I wish I could think of some more. I don't know. I need to think of something. Just a clear tagline that you know that I'm coming through. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna think about it. I'm gonna pray about it. I don't know, but I am doing this look for you guys today. Can you believe that this is my second video in like 2 weeks, Poppy? Like, who do I think I am? Like a YouTuber or something? Yeah, that's who I am now. What's up? What's up with you? So just so you guys know, my new filming schedule is Mondays, or my new posting schedule, the days that stuff will be going on the tube of the U, will be on Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. So stay tuned for videos on those 3 days. And then also, I'm starting a new series on Thursdays. It's starting next week. You guys are gonna see it. Oh my gosh, it's so crazy, and I don't know why I'm doing this. And I can't tell y'all what it is, because I don't want the bigger YouTubers stealing my idea. Like, you know how they do, man. You know how they do. So I'm gonna keep it to myself, and then I might decide not to do it, but I've already filmed for it, and I can understand why no one has done it before, because it's embarrassing. It's embarrassing and it's difficult, but I'm gonna do it because I don't be caring, and that's just what I do. So without further ado, I am gonna hop off this camera. Roll the tape. Roll the tape. I get my wine with me because I gotta see and edit.
Hello ladies and gents, it's me and I'm back. So first I'm going to use my Cetaphil moisturizer. I don't know why I'm holding it that close when y'all obviously can't see it, to make sure my face is moisturized before I put 17 pounds of makeup on it. Now I'm using LA Girl Pro on my eyes. If you notice, I did my eyebrows off camera as I always do. It doesn't really take me that long. I just prefer to do it that way. But thumbs up this video if you want to see how I do my brows. And I can literally do those suckers in like 10 minutes tops. So my Take Me to Brazil palette is what I'm using. I'm using that light blue color at the top. Because the palette was white and my lights are pretty bright, you couldn't really see exactly. So I'll talk to you guys and tell you which colors I'm using. So then I'm using that one on the far right. I don't know. The one I pointed to under the purple one. And it's like a deep blue. It's like a royal blue basically. And I'm going to go ahead and put that in my crease. This look was kind of messy as I was doing it, but it came together really nicely. And I actually don't like when people do their makeup and it's like while they're doing it, it's getting uglier and uglier, and then all of a sudden it's pretty. But this is exactly what happened. So fight me. And here I actually changed brushes with that same royal blue color because I'm trying to make sure that I'm packing a lot of that color in because I'm going to need it. And then that same sky blue color I used the first time, I'm just going back and making sure it's represented, because when you're buffing, sometimes it gets lost. So taking my LA Girl Pro again, putting that on my lids to create a cut crease, which was low-key kind of crooked. I'm not even gonna lie. I was like, dang, how that happened? But I feel like I got a lazy eye low-key, but we're not gonna talk about that. We're just gonna, you know what I'm saying? We're just gonna thumbs up the video anyway and donate to the lazy eye fund, because low-key one of mine is tripping. Anyway, so I'm creating a cut crease here. And then I'm buffing again on the outer corner just to make sure everything looks decent, which it doesn't right now, but it will. So now I'm taking a bright lime green color to the top of the palette, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. When I did this look, I'm not even gonna lie, I made it up as I was going. I had it in my mind, I just didn't execute it, which is why I probably would look so trashy. But but I actually wish I would have just kept it like this, low-key, like I honestly do. But the way that it turns out is really pretty, but I really wish like it would have been like this, because for some reason I love matte. I don't know what got into me. So now I'm using a yellow color. It's at the top. You see that one next to that hot pink one? I'm going to use that color in my inner corner. And sorry again, y'all, that the light were so bright and the palette was white. I couldn't really create a good contrast on there. And now I'm taking this deep navy blue at the bottom, that one you can see, and I'm taking it to make the outer corner of my crease look a little bit deeper, to make more of a dramatic effect, and to give me that contrast, to make the lime stand out a little bit more. And now that I'm looking at it, bro, it looks like Sprite. I should have never even noticed that. Sprite. So now I'm taking this glitter that I got from the beauty supply in my NYX glitter glue. I don't know what you call it. I need to put in the description box. I'm the worst with description boxes. They get on my nerves, but I'm gonna do it. Anyway, so I put that all over my lid to prepare, and then I go ahead and put the glitter on there. And I only put it basically on the ball of my lid, if that makes any sense, where my eyeball sticks out. I didn't want to put it in the corner because I didn't want too much fallout in my corner, and I wanted to keep that lighter inner corner. I didn't want the whole thing to be green. So now I'm taking my Airspun powder brush. I'm just going to wipe that off. Taking my MAC Matte Fix Plus spray. Make sure you shake this puppy up. There is a white solution at the bottom that you must shake up. Next thing you know, I'm taking my two favorite girls, my LA Girl Pro foundation as well as my Revlon. I'm definitely going to save up and get me some high-end foundation coming up here soon. I've just been really cheap, and two of those don't even touch a good foundation. So taking my Airspun and absorbing all that extra product foundation, making sure I'm mattifying it. Using my NARS Radiant Concealer, of course, in Caramel. I'm learning French, y'all. I'm definitely going to do a video about what I'm learning because je ne sais pas, je ne sais pas, je comprends pas. For real, I really don't understand. Okay, anyway, so then I'm going to go ahead and take my Real Techniques Beauty Blender and get that situated one time for the one time. And you guys know I'm using my NYX concealer in a weird technical color I'll tell you about. I'm putting the sky blue color on my bottom lash line, not in the inner corner. Basically, you see I'm starting from the middle and well from semi-center and then going down the middle. And then I'm taking that same royal blue color and then connecting on the outer portion of my lower lash line. And then I decided to take that lime color, mix with the the lime color mixed with the yellow. I don't know what kind of computing I just did, but I was like 10 gigabytes of what the. Hello and welcome to the blush. So this is MAC. That was like Everlasting Love or something like that. I don't know. I don't know. I do these voiceovers when I don't have the products near me, but that's a bet. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my wing liner in my NYX liner, liquid liner pencil, pen, lapis. And then this eyelash, y'all, gave me a struggle, gave me a fright. So then I just showed y'all the good eyelash to make y'all think that I was a perfectionist. Y'all, this is a Wet n Wild highlighter that I bought off of like a whim. It was $2 and it is pretty bomb. I'm not gonna lie. You do need a couple extra strokes on that sucker, but it's very nice. It's subtle, it's pretty, and it's buildable. I really liked it a lot. I liked it a lot. I did. Now I'm taking my NYX Butter in London, if I'm not mistaken, and then I ended up using a brown liner on around it just to kind of give my lips some depth because they looked a little ashy Larry. And that is it. Thanks guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe, and I will see you mañana, which is a Thursday, y'all. Toodles.